Hello and welcome to a quick step-by-step tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to book a flight with Bzzworld Travel. First, visit www.member.bzzworldtravel.com/login. Now type your username and password, then choose either distributor or preferred customer accordingly. You are now on the main page. Click Flights from the top menu bar. Type in the flight details accordingly, then hit the search bar. Now click on the select button of the desired flight schedule. Scroll down to the bottom to fill up all the required details. Please make sure to correctly fill the traveler details under the passenger section, especially when you are booking on behalf of your friends or family. Always check the traveler details before clicking on the Proceed to Checkout button. This completes today's tutorial. If you have any questions, you may contact us at support@bzzworldtravel.com. Have a wonderful journey with Bzzworld Travel.